integrated Pentax brother printer is an easy install. Once you've laid out all your components of the printer, take the printer and the USB cable and attach them. The USB cable and the printer are a secure fit, so be sure to use caution not to damage the port while installing. After you've plugged in your power port, you are ready to install your paper roll. Take your rod located in the console and put it through the paper roll and place it back into the console, making sure the roll feeds into the printer from below. Feed the paper in the printer, then plug it into your computer, and once your software is installed, you're ready to print. For more information on this product, visit gojotto.com.